What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got a thief auntie with a level of entitlement that's absolutely off the charts. This lady was wandering around a luxury PGA resort, carrying a bunch of luggage that wasn't hers. And when the police caught her, she put on a performance worse than a B movie. Let's see how this Karen managed to get herself in trouble. Let's get started.
Your car, so you see where you turned right to go into the gym? Instead, you're going to turn left where you go in the Uber lot. It's going to be there right next to a Jupiter police car.
Okay. Am I going to the airport right now?
No, it's your car.
I got a ticket to the airport, so...
You all right?
Yeah, I'm fine.
See your keys?
What?
Let me see them.
No, I'm good.
I'm a police officer.
Okay.
Security guard. Okay, let me see your ticket. Let me see your keys.
My keys? My keys?
Let me see your keys, okay? Let's walk over there.
Okay. Are you going to take me?
Huh?
Are you going to take me to my car?
No. Find out what's wrong with you.
There's nothing wrong with me.
Okay, I just want to make sure there's something wrong with you.
My name's Karina. My name is Maya.
Say again?
My name is Maya.
Okay, what's going on? So what's going on?
So see, I got beat up. So I'm a little bit like, disheveled. I'm hungry. I have to pee. I didn't brush my teeth. I have my period. I just want to go home.
Okay, where's home for you?
Well, I'm going to be going to Georgia. And then I got married in December.
Where are you going right now? Where's your plan to go?
I'm going to my car and I'm going to go get something at Burger King. Chicken tenders.
Okay, and then where are you going?
I'm going to be going to my mom's in Georgia.
In Georgia? So
Yeah.
How are you going to get in there? You driving?
Yeah.
You driving to Georgia?
Yeah, I drive to Georgia all the time, don't you?
No.
But you don't drive? You're a police officer. You cruise all
You
the
okay,
time.
ma'am?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Just 2 seconds ago, you said you're going to the airport. Now you're
No, I
saying
said I have tickets to go to the airport on Wednesday. So we're going to go to the airport on Wednesday. Listen, I just had a terrible
How are
time.
you going to the airport on Wednesday if you're going to Georgia today?
Well, what's today? Sunday. Takes 8 hours to get to Georgia. I'm going to go visit my mother. She just opened a new hair salon. And then I'm going to drive to the airport, which is in Georgia.
Okay. Do you have an ID on you, ma'am?
No.
Do you have anything with your name on it?
Yeah, I have a marriage certificate.
That'd be great.
Come on. Did you ever
You don't
get
have an
new
ID, how are you going to
shoes?
drive?
Huh?
How are you going to drive with no ID?
I'll find it. It's in my bag. Did you ever get new shoes and never try them out before you wore them? Don't do it. I'm wearing it.
Nah.
I got this.
Okay, what is that? I don't know what that is.
It ain't shit here.
Yeah, we're at the resort.
Excuse you. I only have one copy, so don't lose it.
I'm going to be right here. I'm not going anywhere.
Here's my ticket for the airport.
You have a ticket for the airport?
No,
Why?
it's not your business where I'm going.
My concern is right now is if you're okay to drive.
Okay.
Okay. And if
You want to
you're
give a
all right.
breathalyzer?
No, I don't think you're drunk. I think something else might be wrong with you.
Oh, well, you're wrong.
Okay? Stop.
Give me my
Stop.
marriage certificate.
Stop it.
Give me my marriage
Stop
certificate.
it. Stop it, okay?
Give me my
Because
marriage
right now,
certificate.
No. Listen to what I'm telling you, okay? Right now, I'm trying to make sure that you're okay, right? This is not an arrestable offense. It's the difference between, I don't know where you're from, but here in the state of Florida, it's what's called the Baker Act, which means I'll take you to a
Here, ready?
hospital, okay?
Here.
And I'll make sure you're cleared
Here.
for the hospital.
Been
Okay,
there.
what does that have to do with,
Been there.
okay, what does that have to do with what I'm talking about?
Nothing. Give me my paper back.
What is your name?
Maya.
Maya what?
Read it. It's on there. I got married December 6, 2023. I'm
Doesn't say anything
eloping.
about Maya. Where does it say anything about Maya?
Huh? It's my marriage certificate. What are you talking about?
Where does it say Maya?
We'll flip it over. Do you want to see my wedding invitations?
Oh, right here, look. That's you?
Maya Daniels.
Okay.
Look at this shit. What do you mean, Maya? You were about to head to the airport, and then 5 seconds later, you suddenly change your story and say you're planning to drive across state lines to Georgia? Do you think this officer is in kindergarten or something? When you're asked for identification, a normal person hands over a driver's license. But this lady? She hands over a marriage certificate that doesn't match her name and a fake ID. It's like she's trying to piece together a whole new identity out of garbage. Keep digging your own grave, Karen. You're doing great. Get your shit together.
You live in Las Vegas? You're from Las Vegas?
Well, I got married there, so don't judge.
Okay. All right, just give me 1 second. I just want to make sure you're good. Make sure you have a valid license and stuff.
Okay. I have the other key. I can go without your key. Can I make your certificate?
I don't care how many keys.
Huh?
I don't care how many keys you have.
But can I make your
want to make sure that you're okay to drive, okay? Because I am very concerned about you. Okay,
I'm concerned for you.
Okay, well, I'm very concerned about you.
Perfect.
Okay, because you're not making sense.
Yes, I am.
A lot of things
Can
you
you
don't
come
make
over here and
sense.
witness the fact that I'm making sense, please? That's bullshit.
Okay.
No, I didn't. I absolutely did not. And I'm recording this on my phone, so you want to play it back?
Well, listen.
I didn't say anything. I said to the officer, "Can you take me?" And he said no. So please don't tell me what I said, because I'm not an officer.
Okay,
I have a CPR certification. I'm a medical professional. Thank you.
Okay. What do you do for a living? Say a medical professional?
Well, right now I'm out of work, if you need to know.
Okay. What does that ID mean? What does the badge mean? What is
It's
that?
for the Honda Classic.
What is it? Just a guest pass to get in?
Yeah. What? What did your badge mean? It means you're here to protect and serve. Right? If you don't know, then you need to take your oath again.
Okay. Listen, do you want to hurt yourself?
Nope, never.
You gonna hurt
Not one
somebody
day in my
else?
Hell no.
Do you
I
know
come
where
with
you're
Price. I'm at PGA National,
What city are you in?
Palm Beach Gardens.
Do you eat anything
Unfortunately,
today?
I had a hamburger. I had some smart food popcorn, but I gave it to a little girl with red hair in a flowered dress by seat 111 and 17th hole of the Bear Trap. I ate,
Drinking it all?
I had a beer at 10 o'clock this morning. I didn't even finish it. It was a Corona. I had a Big Rocco's in Royal Palm Beach.
What state are you from? What state are you from?
Originally in New Jersey.
Try New Jersey, please.
I had a problem with some police officers, okay? So I'm leaving.
Do you have an ID with your name on it? Let me
Yes.
see an ID with your name on it.
Can you not show that guy behind
Okay.
me?
Yeah, you get 22 that. You give me a fake name.
That guy's behind you.
65 the correct deal in a minute.
You can leave.
Let me get the deal.
You're real, right?
Listen, I'm a police officer. Give me your ID. 65 the deal number.
But the guy behind you is listening.
Listen, I don't care. Now you got me mad, okay? You gave me a fake ID. That's illegal.
I didn't give you any ID.
You did.
I gave you a marriage certificate.
That's the same thing.
I gave you a marriage
And
certificate.
you told me your name was that. That is a fake ID.
Sure, yeah.
All right,
These are
turn
the bags they gave me.
Turn around.
Hey.
Turn around. Turn around.
Don't
Turn
throw me
around.
down. Don't throw me
Turn
down.
around.
Don't throw
Turn
me down.
around.
All right, I will.
Turn
Don't throw me
around.
down. Don't throw me down,
Listen,
please.
turn around.
Don't throw me
right
down.
now.
All right.
Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
Okay.
Do it now. Turn around.
Please don't hurt me.
Turn around.
Please don't hurt me.
Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me. I have a broken thumb. Please don't hurt me.
We're
Help.
done.
Please help. Please
Stop
help.
resist. Stop
Help.
resisting.
I'm not.
Stop resisting.
Please help. Mom. Mom. Mom.
One in custody.
Please help. Please help. Please help. Officer. Please help. My name is Maya.
All right, Maya, just calm down.
Take her bag then. My thumb. Please take this bag. They gave me the bags. Listen, officer, they gave me the
Stop it.
Hold up. They gave me these bags? You mean the resort staff just saw you walking by and said, "Hey ma'am, here are 6 designer suitcases that belong to someone else. Feel free to take them home." Bullshit. Absolute bullshit. And look at those crocodile tears. Just a second ago you were talking big like some FBI agent. And now that you're in handcuffs, you're crying and thrashing around like a 3-year-old who just got her candy taken away. Lady, you're an adult. You got up and blatantly stole someone else's property. So now shut your mouth and walk straight to the police car. Don't play the victim here. If you did it, you own it. That attitude is seriously insufferable.
Stop it. We're at the resort. Stop it.
Okay, they gave me the bags.
We're done. Just hang out right here, okay? No, we're done. I don't care what you have to do.
bags. Ow,
Just
just
take
take this
hang out here
backpack
for a
off.
second. Wait for the.
They
female
gave me the
officer.
bags.
She's giving me fake ID. You're trying to work this.
I have real ID. You have
Stop
real
it.
ID.
Stop it.
Sir, you have real
Stop it. Stop touching me.
ID. Don't punch me.
Stop touching me. Okay, well, we're gonna do that in a
Listen,
second.
they
Right? Just hang
gave
out.
this to me. They gave this to me. Ow, you're hurting my arm.
Then stop moving and just hang out. We're done.
Ow, you're hurting my shoulder.
We're done. Stop it. We're done.
You're on my shoulder. Can I stretch my leg, please? Hey, listen, here's my
Long
real
story.
ID.
Let's get her up and take off. Yeah. Well, she's stealing other people's bags.
No,
going
they
through their
didn't,
stuff.
sir. They gave me the bag. Ow, I'll get up. Once you
Okay, get up.
Ow, my arm. Take this backpack off of me. I'll get up. Hold on. Wait.
One assist.
Get on up. Come on. You can get a permit. Come on. Get up.
Ow.
There you go.
Take this backpack off. It's not mine.
You're under arrest. Let's go.
Okay, hold on a second.
No, we're done.
10:15.
Where's
Let's
my
go.
ID?
We're done.
You're under arrest, so you please do not answer my
Okay, take this backpack off me. It's not mine.
Of course it's not yours. That's why you're under arrest.
No, this is not my backpack.
That's great. Let's
That's
go.
mine.
We have to go.
That's mine.
Let's go.
Ow, ow, ow. Ow, you're hurting my
Then
arm.
start walking.
Ow.
Start walking. We're done.
Help me. Are you a sheriff?
No.
They have my ID.
Please tell 15. Okay.
What does that mean? I didn't steal.
Yeah, all right.
I swear to Christ on my mother.
Okay.
I rebuke this. in the name of
You
Christ.
park your car over there, right? It's towed. You, by the way, we towed your car.
Not my car. They didn't tell my car, Papa.
Yes, I did.
I have the phone number.
Remember.
Okay.
No, his name is Mike. Oh, wait 1 second for
We're
real.
right here. The car's almost
Oh,
here.
I pissed myself.
Oh, that's too bad.
Listen, I'm not going anywhere with you.
Oh,
You guys locked me
Yeah, I got
up
full case.
Right.
and beat me up.
Wait, let's do this right. Put it right here. Put it right here.
Okay, yeah.
Let's get his stuff.
Oh, my thumb is broke. Ah,
Go ahead.
I'm not resisting. Just look at me. Who's
okay,
gonna take
stop.
this face?
We're done. All right?
Are we
You
really
gave me a fake
going?
ID that doesn't belong to you.
Oh, you.
So let's find out who backpack this belongs.
I
You won't be able to get it off.
Yeah, we're done. Wait till the...
Right,
Ow. I want my
let's go to
mom.
females again.
Mom.
Stop acting up, man, okay?
Yeah, take it off. I can't bend
Man,
into
we can't
pressure.
do it with the cuffs on. So just stand by for a second.
My dad is a police officer.
All right.
My grandfather's Judge
It's heavy,
Ramsey.
so what? Get it.
Ah. Ah.
Well, you didn't get all the way through.
Ah,
There you go.
la fuerza, la madre. Sa camarón. ¿Tú hablas español?
No, I don't speak Spanish.
Ay,
American.
That's your
I have a lighter. Be careful. Okay. I don't know how to use it.
Could be a lighter or a knife. There's a knife. Knife.
It's orange. It has a cover.
Units that advise the 14 of the golfer trying to steal bags.
Listen, yeah, the brown bag is mine.
Okay,
That's
stop it. I don't care. Just be quiet. That's it. It's not funny.
All right,
Just
let
stop.
her up on the bag. I do the front.
it. LeBeau from the butcher shop gave me the bag.
Wonderful.
Face forward, okay? Face forward.
You?
No,
I don't know what
face-
forward is.
Look that way. There you go. You have anything in your bra or anything?
Are all 4 bags yours?
The
You want to come with
one,
me?
yes, the 3 up here, 1, 2, 3 are mine. That one was not mine. This was with it. These that were with them. These weren't involved. These 2, and then we're missing 2 more bags.
You're missing 2 more bags? Is this purse yours?
That purse was not mine. I did have another purse in my backpack.
So explain to me what happened from the beginning.
So basically, my husband was playing golf today. He was one of the last groups to finish on 18. We were trying to make a flight. So I went to our rental car. I took his travel case out of the rental car. I brought it into the locker room, waited for him there. As soon as he got there, I said, "Do you want me to go pick up my bags from bag drop?" So we had dropped
What time did you drop them off?
10:30 this morning.
This morning, 10:30?
10:30 this morning. And we dropped off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags in total. And then I pulled up to valet and I asked the guy if he could just pull the car around so I could go pick up my bags from bag drop. I stepped out of the car. I saw this lady holding my 2 suitcases, my bag, and my backpack, completely coincidentally.
Okay.
Wow. This woman is literally the definition of beyond saving. Caught red-handed stealing property worth up to $10,000, resisting law enforcement, and somehow, by some miracle, the legal system dropped the charges against her? She should have gone home, been grateful, and turned her life around. But no, spoiled brats like this never learn their lesson. By 2026, this Karen Karina, not Maya by the way, is back at it again. This time bringing a weapon and breaking into someone's home. This time, there's no bond or probation for you, ma'am. You're going to be sitting behind bars for a long time. Plenty of time to perform your little act for the walls. In the end, karma comes knocking. This delusional person thought she could use a few fake tears and some cheap lies to play the system over and over again. But karma spares no one. Never play the victim when you're the one causing all the problems. What do you guys think about this disaster of a performance? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can keep exposing more extreme delusion cases. See you in the next video. Peace.